Everyone, Brandon Caldwell. We are back, and guess what this is? Video number 6 of the 10 ways that we get paid in MWR's financial compensation plan. Again, can you imagine however many ways that you get paid, now adding an additional 10 ways to it? I like to tell people there's a frequency. We got daily, weekly, and monthly. And guess what? It's time for us to dive head first into one of our monthly bonuses. Did you know that everything I've talked about up until this point happens daily and weekly? But I've yet to introduce you to some of our larger bonuses that come on a monthly basis every month on the 10th. That's right. So not only can you budget your bills because you're daily paid and your weekly paid, but if you want to have a little fun, if you want to splurge every now and then, if you want to go on vacation, it's okay. Or if you want to add your private reserve account in chunks, that's perfectly fine. If you want to use this to put some money aside for your land banking, that's perfectly fine. Or your children's college education, guess what? That's perfectly fine too. Just know that every month on the 10th that you have a presidential bonus. Now, this presidential bonus is acquired once you hit the area director position. That's why area director is so amazing. If you think about it, in a previous video, area director was where your overrides, or what also known as your leadership bonuses, jump from $20 per qualified financial director to $45 per qualified financial director. In other words, that was the biggest leap from the senior director to the area director. So you had the biggest leap in pay. If you notice, your customer residuals, and by the way, you are a customer, your customer residuals in the previous video total or were 25 cents, 50 cents, then it jumped to $3.50 once you hit area director. Then $4.50, then $5.50, then $8 as a national. But the biggest jump between every position was from senior to area director. If you notice in this video, the presidential bonus begins at area director. Brandon, what's your point? Well, I hope I'm making it perfectly clear. You need to get to area director. Why? Because the presidential bonus begins as low as $500 per month. Now, let's just say that was the only bonus you received out of, yet again, the 10 ways that we get paid in MWR financial compensation plan. Let's say $500 a month was all you received. The rest was tax minimization. The rest was debt elimination. And the rest was asset accumulation, right? Let's just say $6,000 a year at the first tier of the presidential bonus was all you ever got. Can you get a pay raise on your job to the tune of $6,000 a year just for asking for it? Go ahead, I'll wait. My point is, why not give yourself a $6,000 a year pay raise if nothing else? But the good news is, let's add a zero, because as your points accumulate, your bonuses grow. $5,000 a month is not the second tier, but it's another tier that you can qualify for as your points grow. See, in a previous video, I talked about synergistic alignment, doing the same work, the same strategy, talking to people, helping them understand income shifting, helping them understand the power of our Financial Edge membership. That same work can also lead to a $5,000 a month presidential bonus. Guys, that's $60,000 a year. I don't know about you, but I graduated from college in 2007, got my degree in business, and the job that I was working for did not pay me $5,000 per month on a residual basis. Now, just so you know, moment of transparency. There's a $1,000 bonus and a $2,500 bonus on the way to the $5,000. I'm only giving you certain milestones within the tiers. So it really goes 500, 1,000, 2,500, then 5,000, and it gets as high as 25,000 per month. Do you know that some households don't bring in 25,000 per year? Here's the good news. You don't jump from 5 to 25. There's a $10,000 a month threshold. There's a $15,000 a month threshold. So let's just say you fall short at 25,000 or 15,000. Are you mad because you made that in just one of the 10 ways that we get paid? Last but not least, some people say, Brandon, I dream big. I've always wanted to be a millionaire. I believe in this company, right place, right time, right market. I believe that America is intelligent when it comes to finances are more important now than they've ever been before. I don't want to put all my eggs in my 401 or all my eggs into a stock market that I can't control, but I will put more of my eggs into a business and I too can become a millionaire. Yes, you can, with just one of our 10 ways to get paid. Guys, this presidential bonus gets as high as $100,000 per year. No, everything else is monthly, but why stop now? Per month. Guys, that's $1.2 million per year in just one of the monthly bonuses that we accumulate out of the 10 different ways that we get paid in MWR Financial. Now I have a question for you. If you fall short on $100,000 and land on $50,000 a month for the rest of your life, are you mad at us for making $500,000 per year instead of $1.2 million just for our bonuses? Guys, we're going to wrap this thing up, and we're going to ramp this thing up. Why? Because you deserve to see the other 3 ways that we get paid. Actually, 4. It's 4 ways that we get paid on top of the previous 6, because now we're going to tie all of it together and show you why you deserve daily, weekly, and monthly pay. Because remember, money talks, but wealth whispers.